Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Tenda A33 AX3000 Wi-Fi Extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Tenda A33 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 range extender is a dual-band device that boosts and extends your existing Wi-Fi signal to eliminate dead zones in your home or office. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. First of all, we will discuss what's inside the Tenda A33 Extender box. Inside the Tenda A33 Extender box, you'll find the AX1500 Wi-Fi 6 range extender and a quick installation guide. These items provide everything needed to set up and extend your Wi-Fi coverage efficiently. Now plug the Tenda A33 AX3000 into a wall socket near your main router. Wait 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED starts blinking or turns solid. The extender is now ready for manual setup. Open Wi-Fi settings on your mobile, laptop, or PC. Look for the Wi-Fi name. Tenda A33 EXT or similar. Tap or click to connect. No password is required at this stage. You must stay connected to this network during setup. Open any web browser: Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari. In the address bar, type one of these and press enter: http://are.tenda.cn or http://192.168.0.254. The Tenda Setup Wizard page will open automatically. If the page does not open, make sure mobile data is turned off and you are connected to Tenda A33 EXT. The setup page will scan for available networks. Select your main Wi-Fi network, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, or both if dual band. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Set the extended network name, SSID. You can use the same name as your main Wi-Fi or change it. Confirm and wait for the extender to reboot, usually 1 or 2 minutes. Once rebooted, the LED will turn solid green or blue, depending on model, indicating a good connection. Now your Tenda A33 AX3000 extender setup is successfully completed. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.